In this video, I'm going to talk about naming variables. So we just don't name variables anyhow, so you need to look at the rules of naming variables. So, rules of naming variables. Variables can contain letters, numbers, and underscores. We don't put extra symbols. Letters, numbers, and underscores. 2. Names can start with letters. Okay? Names can also start with an underscore. So meaning if I say, I can say int my name, okay? My name is the first, so I'll say 1. Okay, yeah. So maybe I can also say int, maybe age is rather, okay. Int age is equal to 12. So this int age is equal to 12. Variables can have letters and numbers. So names can start with letters and names can start with an underscore. So this is how they start with what? With letters. So if I want, I could have placed an underscore, could have said int underscore age is equal to 10. Okay. So when you have this structure, so you can name a variable with letters and numbers. So now, how do you add numbers? With numbers, I can say age 2. Knowing that there's already an age, I can say underscore age 2. So variables you cannot start a variable name with a number to say int 2. You say, let's say int inside, then you say 2, then age. No, it will not work. The computer does not allow you to do that. The rules will not allow you to do that. So you always start with an underscore or a letter, and then numbers can come in between the letters or after the letters. Okay? So keep that in mind. So the naming convention, what is naming convention? Naming convention means the agreed upon or the standardized formats of naming variables. The first one is called camel case. So in camel case, convention of variable names means that the first, if you have, let's say 3 words, start driving car, like they start driving a car. The variable, you want to name the variable start driving a car because this is the variable that starts the car in the computer program. So the first word, the first letter is going to be a small letter, and then the second word, the first letter is going to be a capital letter. The third word, okay, the first letter is going to be a capital letter. So in camel case, you're going to name everything with capital letters except what? Except the first word. The first letter is going to be small letters. All the other letters remain small letters. The first word, the first letters of the words, okay, they're going to be having what? Capital letters, except for the what? For the first one. This is what you call camel case naming convention. 2, we have what we call underscore naming convention. The example of underscore naming convention is this one, where you keep all your variables in lowercase letters and then you connect them with underscores. Okay, so this is what you need to know and understand about naming variables.